This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the batteries and visually inspecting the contacts. Corrosion or leakage is the most common culprit. Once done, replace with fresh batteries if needed and power cycle both the Chromecast and the TV so the devices reinitialize their connections. Make sure you know the remote model and where its pairing button is located. That knowledge speeds troubleshooting and prevents random button presses from interrupting the pairing flow. You now attempt pairing. Press and hold the remote's pairing button for about 10 seconds until the LED blinks. That indicates pairing mode. Then open the Google Home app, select the Chromecast, go to Settings, Remote, and choose Pair. This guides you through the exchange. If the LED behaves oddly or pairing repeatedly fails, test the remote with another Chromecast if available, or prepare for a controlled factory reset after backing up any personalized settings. You should clean battery contacts using a 90% plus isopropyl swab and gently remove residue. Damaged rubber pads or sticky buttons can be replaced or taped as a temporary fix. To fully reset, hold back and home simultaneously for 10 seconds until the remote reboots and attempt pairing again. If functionality still fails, consider swapping internal board components or obtaining a replacement remote. And if nothing works, perform one last check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.